Hi Vineland families, it was another great week here at Vineland as we lead up to our map testing, which kicks off on Monday. So starting on Monday, our third graders will begin our map testing sessions over the next 3 weeks, and they will be joined on Tuesday with our fourth graders. So parents, if you have a third through sixth grade student, over the next several weeks, it's very important that they are getting a great night's sleep, eating a good breakfast in the morning, and if they don't have the opportunity to eat breakfast in the morning as they rush off to school, we've got breakfast here at Vineland. So please encourage them to grab breakfast while they're here so that they can focus and do their best on the map testing for their teachers. If you do not have a student that is in third through sixth grade, our K through second graders, you can also encourage them to help be quiet in the halls and as they transition to their specials and to lunch and to recess, as there will be students all around the building completing the map test, and the quieter we can keep the building, the more those students can stay focused. Also next week, we've got Special Olympics coming up on Tuesday, so parents, if you have the opportunity and you can swing by the DeSoto High School track, you can check out the Special Olympics starting Tuesday morning. What a great opportunity to come and cheer on those athletes. There is a rain date. If it happens to rain on Tuesday, the rain date is the next day, which is on Wednesday. Also next week, we've got a second grade field trip on Thursday, a fifth grade field trip on Friday, as it is field trip season as we start to wind down towards the end of the school year. Parents, we also have approximately 10 Cardinals tickets left for the Saturday, May the 4th game being sold by Dragonettes and Dragon Dudes. So if you would like to go to the Cardinals game for a discounted price and support Vineland Dragonettes and Dragon Dudes, please stop by the office, pick those up. There's only 10 left. Hurry, come get them. Saturday, May the 4th. We also want to give a shout out to our high school jazz and rock band who performed today for our students in the map assembly. Thank you, Mr. Boyer, and all the high school students who came over and performed for us. You guys were awesome. We appreciate you and getting us pumped up for the map test. Today we celebrated our MAP students from last year that were either proficient, advanced, or GRUA level. We've got some pictures here at the end of the video of all these students. What a great accomplishment. And also today was the attendance incentive number 2 reward day. We had over 56% of our building that qualified for this. That's 359 students. Shout out to all of you, and especially the 133 of you that over the last 6 weeks have had perfect attendance. Outstanding, Vineland. Appreciate all your hard work and making sure you are dedicated to get here to school every day. Everybody have an awesome weekend. Stay safe. And as always, it's a great day to be a Dragon. The following pictures include all of our proficient 4th, 5th, and 6th graders in ELA, math, and science. And these are all of our advanced 4th, 5th, and 6th graders in ELA, math, and science. Congratulations to all of these outstanding students on your map performance in the 2022-2023 school year. Best of luck this year.